Welcome to Mora FC. Learn how to sew your own face mask at home. The pattern has already been created. I will leave a link below. You will click it and watch it and learn how to draw your own pattern at home. When you get your pattern, you get your fabric. You fold your fabric into two. You put a pattern on it. Then you cut it. Make sure you trace it, you pin it, and you cut it. And you do the same thing. The inside fabric. This is outside and this is the inside fabric. Make sure you subscribe it. Like, comment and share. This is the front fabric and this is the back fabric. You put facing on the front fabric. You can decide to put facing on the front fabric. You can decide not to put the facing on the front fabric. And when you're done, trim all the excess facing out. Make sure you like, subscribe it, comment and share. This is the elastic. You measure 6 inches or 6.5 inches. Mine is 6.5 inches. You cut 2 of it. You put the facing together. That's the front one. You can pin it to get it right. You take your time on the curve. You do the same thing to the inside fabric. You can see how it looks like. You do the same thing to the inside fabric. You iron it to get a curve right. You turn the inside one. You put the facing to facing together. Make sure you pin it. You sew the top and the bottom. Subscribe it, like and share. Make a comment. You can pin it to get it right. You sew only the top and the bottom and leave the side alone, because we're gonna flip it inside. We're gonna turn it inside.
See me swagger, dress to kill, Gucci Prada, just to chill. We no brag, check the bill. We work hard for you.
Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like and comment and share.
Just to chill. We no brag, check the bill. We work hard for everything we need. We know you no bag a long talk. We know you no bag a long chat. Action time. We know you no bag a long talk. We know you no bag a long chat. Taking crime. We know you no bag a long chat. We know you no bag a long talk.
You iron it.
We know you no bag a long chat. We know you no bag a long talk.
cut all the excess fabric out. You measure 1/2 inch, you fold it inside, then you iron it. You do the same thing to the other side. You put your elastic in. Double stitch it to hold it firm.
We no brag, check the bill. We work hard for everything we need. See me swagger, dress to kill. Gucci Prada, just to chill. We no brag, check the bill. We work hard for everything we need. We know you know bagalanta.
You can see how it has been so firm. You do the same thing to the other side. And when you're done, you top stitch around it. If you have not subscribed it yet, subscribe it, and like and share and comment. Thank you for watching. I will appreciate it. Practice, work on it. You can make your own face mask at home. Keep on practicing it.